Now I'm a novice here. Could you help me a little bit about learn a little bit about groups?
Sure. So groups are where people who have a particular interest in one topic might get together and share information and ideas. And it works a bit the same with groups as the same as groups on other platforms like Facebook and so on. And so there would be a sales managers group in New Zealand or in the US or wherever. And so people can go to those groups and then meet the members in those groups. Now, groups at one time were really super popular. And they often you'll find groups have got huge numbers of members, and then you'll find some that are really only small and some that are private, and you have to be invited or pay to join those. Now, the bigger groups have some disadvantages in that they are really, really large, but they do give you access to a lot of people. And so where you were saying to me earlier, how do you find good people to
Right.
connect to? Well, groups are a good way to do that. And if you go to, say, a sales managers group, then you'll find a lot of people who may be potential connections for you. So they are good in that way, but they behave like a normal feed. So you can put posts into groups depending on the group's individual rules. But where they all came unstuck and why they're now not nearly so popular is because people would just spam the group. They'd put up lots of promotional posts about what they did, and that's really not a super way to be able to get known on LinkedIn or to extend or enhance your credibility. In fact, it does the reverse. So I think the groups have a place, but they're not for everybody, and I'm not entirely certain that I would even recommend that people spend a lot of time there.